What's good, GadInsider crew? Rockstar just dropped the jaw-dropping second trailer for Grand Theft Auto 6, and Vice City's never looked this insane. But, plot twist, they've pushed the release to May 2026. Stick with me to unpack this stunning trailer and what the delay means for gamers. Let's roll. Imagine this, a Bonnie and Clyde crime spree in a sun-soaked Vice City, with graphics so real you'll forget it's a game. Rockstar's latest trailer is pure fire, but the wait just got longer. May 26, 2026 to be exact. Why the delay? And is it worth it? Let's dive into the chaos and find out why GTA 6 is still the most hyped game ever. Alright, let's talk trailer 2, captured entirely in-game on a PS5. We made Jason Duval, a troubled ex-soldier turned criminal, and Lucia Caminos, fresh out of prison, ready to take on Vice City. Their vibe? Total Bonnie and Clyde. The trailer shows them pulling off armed heists, racing through neon streets, and dodging a massive conspiracy across Leonida, Rockstar's take on Florida. From Vice City skyscrapers to the gritty Port Gellhorn and alligator-filled swamps, this open world is massive. Oh, and the cast? Bank robber Raul Bautista, smuggler Brian Hitter, and rap duo Real Demez add serious flavor. The visuals? Next level. Think hyper-detailed NPCs, dynamic weather, and textures so crisp you'll swear it's real. Now the big question, why delay GTA 6 to May 26, 2026? Rockstar's known for perfectionism, and they're not cutting corners. They said, we need extra time to deliver the quality you expect and deserve. Insiders like Jason Schreier says devs knew fall 2025 was unrealistic. Too much work, not enough time. Plus, Rockstar's avoiding crunch, those brutal overtime hours after past criticism. This delay ensures a polished game, but it stings for fans waiting since GTA 5 dropped 12 years ago. Good news? Other games, like Borderlands 4, can now shine in 2025 without GTA stealing the spotlight. So what's next? Rockstar promises more updates soon, possibly at events like Summer Game Fest. The game's locked for PS5 and Xbox Series X and S, and with a PC version likely in 2027. Bad news for PS4 or Switch 2 hopefuls. No dice. Will it hit 60 FPS on PS5 Pro? Experts say 30 FPS is more likely a launch due to the game's insane CPU demands. Fans on X are hyped, but split. Some praise the jaw-dropping graphics, while others groan at the wait. One post called it a love letter to Vice City, while another joked PS6 will be out before GTA 6. Pricing's a hot topic too. Rumors suggest $100 to $150, which could set a new standard. Whatever happens, GTA 6 is poised to break records. GTA 6's second trailer proves that Rockstar is cooking something epic, even if we're waiting until May 2026. From Jason and Lucia's crime-fueled romance to Leonida's vibrant world, this game is set to redefine open-world gaming. The delay's a bummer, but it's all about delivering that Rockstar magic. At GadInsider, we're stoked to keep you in the loop as more drops. Want the latest on GTA 6 and more gaming heat? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming updates from GadInsider.